Well, the Supreme Court of India has just upheld the 28% taxation on online gaming, and here are all the implications you need to know with respect to how this retrospective act will affect the gaming industry in India. First of all, telling you how the Supreme Court has ruled in this particular case. They have upheld the 28% taxation on all of online gaming from October 1st, 2023, when this particular tax came about by the legislation. They have also overruled the Karnataka High Court's verdict, which was in favor of the gaming industry. A pleader in that case was Gameskraft. They have effectively restored the 21,000 crores of show cause notice against this particular company. Now the company will have to file a case, particularly in front of the GST court, and the court has also vacated its earlier stay order allowing the pending tax notices to be taken forward with the legislation that now is legal. Explaining to you the rationale why the Supreme Court has done this, they have first of all stated that the explicit mandate of 28% tax is fully on the face value and not on the tokens that are probably paid for in a particular gaming platform, which merely clarifies that the existing legal position allows it to be a retrospective, which is to say that the government only clarified its stance when it came about with this legislation, not a new legislation that's coming about. It's just a clarification as per the Supreme Court, siding with the government. Also, on why they're allowing this to happen, the Supreme Court has ruled that even if the game is completely skill based, it requires certain degree of a character of betting and gambling, and it acquires that character and hence a tax purpose is allotted to that particular game, even if it does not have betting involved actively into it. It also has suggested that these particular platforms are not intermediaries but suppliers, which is to say that these platforms exist and hence the betting happens on them, and hence there is a larger traction of money that's coming into it. Also, the statutory authority of this particular rule is suggesting that the levy is fully backed by the GST Act as of now, and the independent rules are not being implicated in this particular scenario. Also, the implications for the company as of now, as what we're able to read, there's a massive tax liability. For instance, as I mentioned, on the Gamecraft company alone, there's a restoration of 21,000 crores of GST notice. The final say of what that particular notice will look like will still rest with the authorities, which is the GST Council. On the broader connotation on how this will have an effect on the gaming industry, there's a massive financial stock. What we are able to read right now, there's a large tax exposure, and which is quite staggering. An estimated range of about 1.12 lakh crores to potentially 2.5 lakh crores of revenue that can be generated by the GST Council just by taxing these games. On a commercial viability level, it will threaten a lot of small gaming companies, but will